Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix this error while trying to log in Outlook or Hotmail ID. To get started, simply click on these three dots, then go to Settings, then click on Privacy and Security, then click on Third-Party Cookies. Select See All Site Data and Permissions. In the search box here, type Outlook and delete the associated data of Outlook from here. Now in the next step, click on Extensions and disable all the extensions you are using. And then try to log in to your ID and see if this fixes the issue or not. However, if it doesn't, then proceed ahead with the next method. Go to the sign in page of Microsoft and try to log in with your ID and password. Now if you get the same error again, then just keep on refreshing the page. Now you can see that I typed my password wrong, that's why the error was coming up. Now type in the correct password. And it may also result to the same error, but just keep on trying refreshing the page and you will get access to your account. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.